Hello everyone, it's me, Pogolo1. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own textures for blocks or items in mcreator. The easiest thing to do is go into your Minecraft shortcut, go to versions, and it doesn't matter which one, just literally go into here, go into assets, go into textures, whatever, and then get all of this and just copy it to a folder. I haven't got one though, so I'm just going to quickly make one. I'm just going to call it textures. Here we go. And we're going to copy all of this into the folder. So just drag it all in like that, and then it will copy. And that's going to take even longer to copy. And there we go. Now you can close this. And basically what this is, this gives you all the textures for the blocks and stuff in Minecraft. And you don't have to use this, but it's easiest. And then you can literally just click on one and go to open with at the top. Or you can just right click and change it to open with. And do it with paint.net, GIMP or Photoshop or whatever you want to use. And just, well, unless you want to retexture this, you just delete it by just doing that. Right, and just, let's say I want to make, I don't know, a sapphire. I might do it like, so I'm really bad at drawing, but sorry, I'm terrible at drawing. Like this, I might want to give it a little light blue bit in the middle, because, oh, wait, sorry. If you accidentally miss it, you can just press back. I'm going to give it a little shine here. Well, I'll say shine, it's more of a dark thing, isn't it? So I guess it can't be called shine, but oh well. So let's get rid of that bit. Yeah, let's have it like that. I know it's nothing like a sapphire, but who cares? Let's go to save as. We need to go to textures. Let's just save it in textures. Call it sapphire. I can't spell to save my life, but oh well. That's the right. That's the one. Ah, who cares? Just call it that. And go to OK. Now you've got that. You still need to get the ore though. Suppose I could have just retextured diamond, that would have been easier, but still. Now, for the ore, you can either make your own if you're really clever, or you can be a noob like me and just, in fact I'm going to show you how to do it the other way now. Just go to this and then go to open with and paint.net or GIMP or Photoshop, whatever you're using, okay? I'm not going to say that anymore again in this video, hopefully. And then I'm just going to like be really nice and we texture it. In fact, I'm going to zoom in a bit more. And now texture like this. I know I went off a bit there, but no one cares. And I'm going to give it a bit of a little shine to the edges. Actually, no, that's terrible, that bit. Let's do it here. like that. Let's save this as sapphire ore. And then we can put it in our textures with our sapphire and go to save. Right. Now that's all done. Then we go into mcreator. There's two ways how you can do it. You can either go to the create items as normal and click load image and then select it. Or you can go, it's probably easier doing this. Go to this and then import block. Then go to go to wherever your folder's saved. And then item block, I think it says. So sapphire. That's an item. Now let's go and get the block. You have to do it twice, it's really annoying. I wish you could just do it all in one. Maybe somewhere there'll be an update that lets you do that, but not yet. And then sapphire ore, and that's a block. I'm not going fail bad, so I could do the update with topaz. Right, you need to make the item before the ore, as always, so. Doesn't matter how you spell it, for quite a while now. It's only a test anyhow, I'm not releasing this. I have a terrible piece of sapphire here. Sapphire. And let's put it in there. Blah blah blah, no one cares. And wait for it to pop up saying it's all happy and doesn't want to blow itself up. Even though blowing itself up only very rarely happens, so don't worry. It should be gradual. Right. 55 million years later. It's nearly done. 110 million years later. It's even closer to being done. 165 million years later. It's done. Right. Let's go off that now. And look, now we have our sapphire ore too. Yeah. Awesome, isn't it? Yeah. Right, now we're going to go to this, and then block, and... Sorry, did I say ore a second ago? I meant, gem. Oh, wait. I did it wrong. Sapphire. Ore. Okay. YouTube thing. That's cool. Right, then sapphire ore. Oh yeah, here's the hardness bit. I forgot to show you this yesterday. This will basically determine what pickaxe needs to break it. If you're not sure, then you can put a little question mark. Basically, 0 is a hand or wood, 1 is stone, 2 is iron, and 3 is diamond. And here you decide the tool which you want to break it with. So if it's like a sandy, dirty thing, you use shovel. If it's a wood, you use axe, and obviously stone, you use pickaxe. And now I'm going to get it to drop. What is that? Apparently you can drop air now. That sounds cool. Now sapphire block. I mean, I don't know why I say that. Sorry everyone. Let's have iron and metal. And next, then well generation. Do this or this or whatever you want to say. Oh yeah, the reason why you do for world generation, if you didn't know it, so it actually spawns in your world. I know I haven't showed you, but you can just go and find it in your world. It will spawn as long as you do all of that. And the reason why I didn't do a video of how to make how to install it is because there's so many people who've done that. There's no point. Anyhow, basically you just install Java JTK and install the installer right here. Anyhow, it works. Here we go. Let's start Minecraft. Here we go, it's loading. Yay. I did not put that there, that was already there. Right, let's go to the load. Right, I've still got my topaz. I don't know why it says item name yet, by the way. But I'll show you how to change that in a future video probably. Be a lot easier if it came from the item. Game mode, and then let's go for 2. No, it's 1, isn't it? Right. There's the sapphire. And all the way at the bottom, because it's the ID. And if you have an ID conflict, it's really easy to fix. What you do is click on the mod, go to view code or something like that, I think it's called. And then find where it has the number of your ID. It's normally around the hundreds. And, like, mend it. Just by changing it to, like, 1,000 something. Let's go to mode 0. And mine this. And we get a sapphire. Yay! Can't currently make anything with it because I haven't made any stuff for it to make yet. Whoa! Same with the topaz. And yeah, that's how we do it. And I'll be seeing you next video. Bye! Topaz! I mean sapphire, whatever. Okay, that really failed. But bye, everyone. Topaz! No.